Here we're going to install a paper roll on a Genmega Hantle machine. Here we have the roll, and we're going to tear off the top piece, and there's adhesive holding it together, so we want to make sure that we tear that part off. So we have to pull the whole thing back and tear off past the adhesive. We do not want that to get inside the printer as it could jam. And we put the spindle in the core, set the roll in. The paper goes over, not under, and then we wrap it around the bar that's below there, as you see. And then you pull it through and feed it to the slot. And once you get it up there, it should auto feed. Once the paper goes through, you should see test print OK. Now, if you don't see test print OK, you want to make sure that the thermal paper is facing up. So the thermal side of the paper is facing up. So you take your fingernail, mark the top of the mark the receipt. If you do not get a black line, then you need to turn the roll around. So push the lever down, pull the paper back out, flip the paper around, and feed it through the same way around the bar. So it's right under the bar and slide it through the slot. Push that green lever back up so that it will catch the paper and it'll feed through. As you see here, there's no test print OK, because we know that this is the incorrect way of putting this particular roll on the printer. We're just showing you an example of how to diagnose this issue if you come across it. So we're going to turn the paper back around, feed it back the correct way as it goes over, through, under the bar, back through the slot, and then it'll automatically feed. And that's how you install your paper roll in your Genmega Hantle machine.